Hey, this is a 2012 Toyota Prius Cruise Control. I have disassembled this from the wheel, and I was thinking about probably the problem that I have a bogus main button. Maybe that I have a problem around the switch. But as you can see, I have quite low mileage and there is absolutely no problem on the contacts of the switch. So this is the on-off switch, it's fine. But you can see the problem here. So here is where I need to make some soldering. I will try to remove this white plastic, probably here with a screwdriver, and then do the soldering. And will be right brand new. You can see tons of videos about how to disassemble the cruise control arm. You have to disconnect the 12-volt battery ground terminal first. It's the safety precaution against the airbag. You have to remove the airbag with two little knobs with a screwdriver, really easy. And there are two screws holding the cruise control arm in its position, so it's like really 10 minutes to remove this guy. Some cars have problem here on the main switch, but yeah, mine has here. Somehow, yeah, I will make the soldering. So thanks for watching and good luck for your repair on the Prius or the Toyota. Have a nice day, bye bye.